So I'm here today with Phil the Crackmaster, and I can see why they call you the Crackmaster. This job that we are on here today is a good example of your range of expertise. Most commonly, we see you work on homes and that kind of thing, even though we have filmed swimming pools and that kind of thing. But today we're more commercial. Can you give us an indication as to where we are and what we're doing?
Well, typically, you're right, we do a lot of residential properties, but we do a lot of industrial sites like this. And we're doing more and more as we go along, of course. But what was happening here was there's two parts to this. There's a bottom and a top. And when they came together, it shifted a bit, and the seal on it has shifted. And what happened was, out of the corners from here to here, and another corner, they were leaking. They were leaking really bad, and this is going to be a sewage treatment pump station, and they can't have any water in here whatsoever. It'll really screw up things. So to get it passed by code, we had to inject from each corner a urethane, and once we did that, it stopped it because there's water all around us right now, and it'd be leaking like a sieve if it didn't work.
Okay, so it was leaking before you came on site.
Yeah, it was just coming down the wall and you could fill this thing up in a day. Wow. That's how bad it was leaking. It was leaking really bad. So we came in here and injected, and as you can see, it hasn't been running for days, the pumps, and it's dry in here.
Wow. And it'll stay dry for a long time. What's your sense on the ejection?
Yeah, as long as they don't hit this with the machine or anything like that, but it'll move with it. It's a flexible resin.
Okay.
So they'll have no problems whatsoever.
Wow, incredible. So you have done that corner, and I can see just patting the camera down that you have done more work on the other side as well.
Yeah, it's like the same thing. It's about 3 to 4 feet on each corner that we did. And what we had to do the whole process of this is they painted this, and we had to get that paint off.
Okay.
If we didn't get that paint off, our stuff would come back and push off the wall. So it was quite an intensive procedure on this one, and plus we got these huge pipes in the way. It's not an easy one, but we got it done.
Okay, so the question I have, if you were not able to do what you do, I guess the alternative repair would be from the outside.
They'd have to dig it up.
So that is quite a difference as far as I would think time and cost.
Economically it'd be a killer for them. They'd lose them a lot of money on the site. To dig this up, there's actually pea gravel all the way around us. So if you dig one spot, it caves in. So you'd have to, just to dig up 2 corners, you'd have to dig up almost the whole thing. We actually saved them on this for sure.
Okay, so if there are commercial problems with concrete, you certainly are a good person to contact to come out and have a look and give your opinion as to what can be done.
Yeah, anything with water ingression coming in on a moving joint or below ground, that's what we take care of.
Okay, and if somebody had a similar problem, how would they get hold of you?
They get a hold of us at 604-614-2615.
And you are Phil?
I'm Phil.
The Crackmaster.
The Crackmaster.
Okay,
that's right.
thanks Phil.
See you.
Bye-bye.